This setup is used to measure the beam divergence of a given laser source. In this case, we are using helium neon as our laser source. Then we are having a housing or a eyepiece which has a sensor which measures the intensity of a given light, and there is one display which shows the given intensity. So when we talk about the eyepiece, so this eyepiece which has sensor inside it, and then we can see a small aperture to it. So the laser beam falls in that aperture and we measure the intensity of light. So this is similar to our horizontal traveling microscope. So the least count of this is given as the smallest division on main scale is 0.5 mm divided by number of divisions on vernier scale. So this one is vernier scale, that one is main scale. So main scale has smallest division 0.5, whereas vernier has 100 divisions on it. So the least count is given as 0.5 divided by 100, which is 0.05005 mm. So the total reading is given as, so the main scale reading plus least count into vernier scale. So for the main scale reading, we have to check the 0th line. So the 0th line, this one, where it has just crossed. So in this case, it is, consider the lower readings, it is 30, 31, 32, 33. So it has crossed 33 mm division. So the main scale reading is 33 mm and 0 of vernier has crossed 85 division. So the total reading is given as 33 mm plus least count, which is 0.005 mm into 85. So the total reading is 33.425. So as for the measurement of this experiment, we have to measure the diameter of laser beam at two different separations. So first is at 40 centimeters away from the laser source, and second we can measure it at 80 centimeters. So for initially, make sure that your laser source and the starting of your scale are aligned. Then adjust your eyepiece at 40 centimeters. So the distance between your laser and eyepiece is about 40 centimeters. Then we have to go for proper alignment of your scale and laser source of light. So for that, we have to level everything, including your laser source, your horizontal bench, optical bench in which we are moving. So the light which is emitted by the laser source, it is horizontal, and when you are moving your eyepiece back and forth, they will lie in the same plane. Once we are done with this parallel light arrangement, then we will go for adjustment of light over the aperture or the eyepiece to measure the intensity. So initially, try to move it vertically by using this knob, so that intensity on the aperture is maximum, which we can see over that display. Once you're done with that setting, then move it horizontally by using our vernier scale, so the intensity becomes maximum. Once we are done with it, what we will do is we will try to move on either of the side of the given peak intensity. We will move towards the left side of our maximum peak by rotating our vernier knob in anti-clockwise direction. So we can see the intensity goes on falling. Move until the intensity goes to some minimum value and then note down the total reading. So in this case, total reading is, the main scale is 31.5 and vernier is 0. So the total reading is just 31.5. After this, we will note down the corresponding intensity at this position. Then we will start moving towards right by rotating this knob in clockwise direction, that too just by only 10 divisions, and measure the corresponding intensity. Again move it in clockwise direction by 10 divisions, measure the intensity. So we should go by moving just by 10 divisions and measuring its corresponding intensity. Each time we change or we rotate by 10 divisions, that means we are moving about 0.05 mm distance. So again 0.05 mm. So we will go on increasing it by 10 divisions and measuring its corresponding intensity. So we will till we get the minimum on second side. Once we are done at 40 centimeter distance, we will repeat the same procedure at 80 centimeters. We will move this further away from it at 80 centimeters and follow the same procedure. We will get the maximum intensity, move to the left side, then from minimum intensity we will move towards the right side till the minimum intensity on right side. Then we will plot it and go for the calculations.